Yeah, this shouldn't be too long of an unboxing. I did say I was hope I was going to get this today, so here we are. If this is what I think is inside here, it's going to be pretty cool. And yes, it is for me. So here we okay. So far, so good. It's right. It's not. Oh, there we go. All right, here it is. This is the actual um booklet that was made for the favorite cat in the fourth TV special, the Halloween Adventure. Now the cool thing here is in size. This is actually pretty cool because you have the actual animated show, and I got that earlier, but you also have this booklet. And I believe this was done differently. And you'll notice something that the pirate ghosts seem a little bit more detailed. And this isn't the only one, but I was actually surprised. And I forgot how small it was, and yet also how, as you can see, how big it is compared to other things. So let's take a look, which is part of it. It is used, but it's actually in really good condition. All the stuff still seems to be here. All right. Ah, and here's the cool part. Check it out. It's actually, I think parts of it are actually done as an actual, the comic reel. And there's Blinky the clown, which is cool. It actually is doing pretty good. It's almost like, this was not only a comic strip, but also, you know, gonna kill you, Blinky. So this is really cool. So this is really cool. I didn't even. It's been a long time since I've seen this, and it's just too cool. All right. Yes, I knew it was you all the time, Odie. It's not nice to scare people. Well, gosh, you didn't know. So let's take a quick look. How do they do this? It's actually almost like these are, the I don't know how to say this. It's almost like they're doing, the the what is it? Um, the boards that you know, that they use to like time out movies and cartoons and stuff. It's cool. Of course, like he comes back for the lasagna. The chances of it happening again. It's touch. The cool part is that's actually in the way they do that. That's actually in the animated short, which is pretty cool. And this is thick. I was not expecting it. Oh, and this is cool. Check out how the detail is on the old guy. That's pretty cool. All right. And of course, the pirate ship's coming in. Sorry, I'm trying to make this short, but I really can't. Oh, but here's the one thing I do love in this. Check out the quality on the ghosts. That's these pirate ghosts. That's pretty cool. And oh, and look here. There's the differences. See, look there. Here's a little something that's different from the actual animated short. At least up to a point, anyways. Because take a look. Notice something that's different? Or you've ever seen the show? Okay, that's kind of cool. It's like before they find, they find their candy. But here's where it gets different. Because see, look here. They get back home, and the pirate ghosts have followed them. Because remember, Garfield, you can just make it out of his finger. There's one of the pieces of the jewel. And see, look. So see that that's very different from what's in the actual animated short, and that I think could have actually made it a really different short. And just like before, it ends the same way. Let's see what's on TV. Good evening and welcome to our all-night pirate movie festival. Boy, am I tired. And that's how it ends, which is cool. And again, this is just too cool. The fact that it's actually done in a comic strip style. There's way more detail in a couple of the things. And check out the little pirate symbol actually getting off the hat and swimming away was just cool. And also spitting out the water. Nice little touch, by the way. I don't think that actually did that in the actual show. This was actually really good to get. I'm happy I got it. Plus it's a little different take, and it's like you can just enjoy it. And if I ever run out of paper, there it is. So I'll definitely be showing that off again, as well as the actual show when I do the 13 days of Halloween. So until then, guys, like and subscribe, hit the bell for notification. I hope you've enjoyed it. And there's also two more Garfield ghosts and haunted sort of stuff coming with monsters as well, and I hope to get that soon. And like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you later. Bye.